Okay, so I've got a problem where I have a hole that I already drilled, but I drilled it too small. I want to be able to get this LB through there. So I need to do a bigger hole, and I need to do it right here. The problem is, if I take my whole drilling bit and just try to make this bigger, it doesn't work. It's just gonna dance all around. And that is also true with the paddle bit. There it is. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this hole bigger. All right, so I got a problem here where my hole's too small, and this is an application where I want to put this through. I already drilled a hole, it's too small. Now if I were to come and to try to drill another hole with this, it would be dancing all over the place. So how am I going to fix that? First I do with bead square, drew some lines this way to kind of get a rough mark. And I'm going to take another board where I already marked lines, and I'm going to line those lines up and then temporarily screw this down. Put my bigger bit on, and then just going to go right to the center. I already have a hole here, not necessary though. It's just going to drill through this. That will give me stability to drill through that. So let's see. Got to take the plug out. So now what happens now that we got that hole, this circle is going to give us some stability. There we go.
Now this actually can work using a paddle bit as well. The process is the same: secure the wood and then drill the hole. Now it's not quite as finessey as using the hole saw bit, but it does work. The hole's still fairly clean, but not quite as clean as using the hole saw. So there it is. Thanks for watching.